I'm gonna start by using all the brushes and all the fabric paint I have. She has beautiful eyes. Hi friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have this amazing idea. I have this beautiful, it's my daughter's schnauzer, and I got a tote bag for her because of the Teacher Appreciation Day. So the idea is to use this cute dog as a reference and paint it in this tote bag. So let's start. So I'm gonna start like calculating for the little space and then the ears. I'm following what I have here. They have always like fold ears. So this is kind of a short little space. Eyebrows here. Her name is Samba's eyes are so expressive, and she has pretty long eyelashes. And this is the most prominent part here, and this is like so. Then we can go back and do our emphasis on details. The nose is actually prominent. In her case, the nose is really black, completely black. And then I can come like around here. So I need to emphasize, like when I come here and paint, I need to give her like this brown around here and then that little white there. And actually her mouth is like going down, so I need to modify this, like going down a little bit here, and then this is all that. And then here, actually this is a little bit longer here in the actual picture. All right, great. All right, so this is part one, and I'm gonna go bring the paint. Actually, this, my son donated them to me. All this is to paint on fabric, so I'm excited. Now I need to isolate the fabric from the front part, so I'm going to use this construction paper that is very absorbent, and it goes from here and all the way down. So I'm almost ready to start, and I'm excited about this. Now I have this brown, and also I have this brown. So let's start by delimiting with the markers. This is actually thin. So let's go here. Wow, this is super cool. All right, so I'll know where to go while painting my dog. As you can see here, it's like something bumpy, like in here, coming out from her nose. It's prominent, so it goes, it has here, it has like shorter little hair, and then it goes all the way down, and here, same. Coming out from, it has different directions. Here is kind of an oval, and then it comes like so. Now I think it's time to use my brushes and paint to see how different it's going to look. The most important thing is gonna be the shadows we're gonna give it at the end. And it's going to be white in this part, so let's see. Sometimes you need to follow the fabric texture, so you can move the brush like horizontally and vertically, so you make sure that you cover the whole structure so you don't have that white. I'm gonna work on the ears. Are also very into black. You can always use a thinner brush, but I like this. And for the fur, I need a thinner brush, especially for lights and shadows. Her eyes are super, super black with a special light on them. I need to make sure that I have the same size for both eyes. She has beautiful eyes. So this is mostly a triangle here, and then if I make a triangle going up, the other eye will be around here. So I have it misplaced there. Very expressive eyes, right? Now I need to do the same with this part, and actually the parts of the eye, it goes like on another direction. So it goes here. Now the fur comes down from here, going down, 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 down. On the other side goes down, 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 down the eye. Yes. And it encounters with these parts. I can actually make the ear a little bit like bigger here so I can be closer to the eye. And probably other dogs are the richness and this beautiful arrangement of the fur. So as you can see, I've been like going around and twisting and changing directions, and that's the beauty of her. Like you see here, I need to go on the other way and then come down in this way. You see? So this actually goes like a fountain. So this comes this way and this comes this way and up. There. It has 1 through 3, so I'm gonna come 1, 2, 3, and then here. On the other side, it has like, let me get this in brown. This is actually popping up, and then here, there. And also here is all, it's not a solid line. As you can see here, it has like little bunches of hair coming out. And here I need to do this part so the hair goes like so and goes up and then up and then down, down, down. There, black and brown. I'm going to grab both and I'm going to come from the nose all the way down. I'm going to use more brown than black in this part. It's still too much black. Use just brown around here, brown around. And then on the other side, and I think it looks really great, around the mouth. And then coming out from there, I have a lot of black coming out, but also white. So let's see. I'm gonna cover this, bringing the paint from the mouth and also adding more paint. Under the nose is all black. Around the nose, you can do it a little bit darker, so it gives you the impression of the deepest part. And there it is. Almost done. I don't need too much of a white because that is the light. So here I have on my phone, and as you can see here, there is a dot of light, and it comes like a coma, like so, exactly. And the other one is like an inverted U. So I'm going to do it the same way. This is the natural picture of her. Now I need to do here, there is a thin line, like it's completely white right there. There. Exactly. Now the nose. To give the impression of the nostrils and everything, I need to do light. You see the difference now? Here, white, and then a lot of white, like covering her mouth. That under her mouth, it goes like a lot of white. So I can go like a lot of white, kind of on one side. I need really long eyelashes here. It's very important. Let's try this one for the eyelashes. There and here. Great. Here I need more black, and also in the nostrils here, black, 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 black. You can just go like so and like so. Like it has like fur coming out. I don't want that solid line because it's actually not like that. So I don't want that solid line now. Complete the curls this way, then going out in shadows and lights. There. The curls. And then here it got light around here. Little bit of light around the triangle. I wanna just to refill a little bit more these empty parts. Yeah, I didn't know that this was going to be super fun. And you know what? I realized that when you paint something, it's the only way you can focus on the details. So I always was amazed about the way her hair is. But you see how many different direction it has. That it goes here, then straight here, and a curve a little bit, and then the triangles goes up, and then the forehead goes out. So this goes out. Now I see it better. And I want a little bit more of white here. So as I said at the beginning, we're teachers. So for Teacher Appreciation Day, we went to the mall, and I'm going to show you the front of the bag. This was here in Miami at Dolphin Mall, and we got a bunch of discounts on some stuff, you know. It's not too much, but at least, I don't know, you can have like simple things like a free lemonade or a breakfast for $3.99, stuff like that, you know. In my opinion, teacher deserved more because we actually, all teachers know, and we work really hard. But it's better than nothing, and then we spend time together, we walk through the mall, and it was fun. Now it's summertime here in Miami, so a lot of tourists and people shopping, and you know how it is down here. Yes, so the marker, you see, is the marker works better on an empty fabric. You see, I don't want that solid line because it's actually not like that. Some hairs are curled. Let me do the definition of this. It's more between brown and black. So the marker helped me a lot with this. Well, I didn't have like too much definition on the eyelashes, but I think it's good. Samba. This is pretty much what I have for today. Thanks for joining me, and I see you soon in my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. Do you have a dog? What is your dog's name? Are you gonna paint your dog on a tote bag? Let me know in the comments. For sure, I'm gonna read them all. I see you very soon. Bye, friends, and take care. Bye, friends. Bye-bye.